Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, we will talk about how to make money with 10 ways. For many, the internet is the perfect opportunity to make a little extra cash. But there's more than one way to make money online, and some are faster and more accessible. Today, look at how to make money online by examining 10 different business ideas, ventures, and other entrepreneurial enterprises you can undertake. 1. Start affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a great way to make money online, partially because it's so accessible. All you need is a blog and a handful of affiliate marketing agreements with known brands whose products and services you want to sell. In a nutshell, with affiliate marketing, you write blog posts, then advertise or link to products that are part of your affiliate program. Each time one of your blog readers purchases after clicking to a product from one of your links, you'll get a commission for your effort. 2. Build a dropshipping business. Dropshipping is a unique business model where you partner with product suppliers, manufacturers, and shipping companies. Here's how it works. You advertise products a third party makes, like a product manufacturer, under your store brand. You can use a platform like Amazon to do this, or practice dropshipping on your own e-commerce website. When a customer orders a product, you send the order to a fulfillment specialist company, like a shipping company, to handle delivery and shipping. You take home a percentage of the profits without having to store inventory, make products, or do anything else. It might sound too good to be true, but dropshipping is a viable business model and a great way to make money online. It's also a stellar way to make money online if you don't have the infrastructure to run a traditional e-commerce brand. 3. Do freelance work. Freelance work is more popular than ever, and for good reason. It's an excellent way to make some side income or work as a new full-time job. If you have an in-demand skill set, like graphic design or freelance writing, you can potentially make enough money to pay for all of your bills, and then some without having to work for a traditional company or agency. Freelance work, however, does require you to hustle and get most of your clients using sites and mobile apps like Fiverr or Upwork. These freelance job boards have clients post jobs that they need to be completed. You'll then compete with other freelancers to complete the required work. Many entrepreneurs start this business to earn extra income, but you can make money from home consistently this way. 4. Fill out online surveys. Online surveys are readily available and accessible on sites like SurveyJunkie and Swagbucks. On this site and others, you can complete online surveys for marketing brands and agencies seeking to take the public's pulse on various issues, like what kinds of products you enjoy and what your opinions are on certain topics. Filling out online surveys often gives you small cash rewards, sometimes through gift cards. Through this work, you can earn money online slowly but surely. It's a great way to make some extra side cash while doing something else, like surfing the internet or watching TV. Some sites may have you test websites, complete tutorials, or do small tasks other than answer survey questions. 5. Work as a virtual assistant. Virtual assistants are knowledgeable professionals who act as digital secretaries for CEOs, managers, and others. As a virtual assistant, you'll complete a wide range of different responsibilities and tasks. You can work as a virtual assistant with barely any setup time and don't need a degree. However, depending on who you work for, you may need to be at your client's beck and call, which could limit your freedom and flexibility. Still, working as a virtual assistant could be a stellar way to make money online, especially if you can't leave the house or otherwise cannot earn money in other ways. Many virtual assistants make decent part-time income. 6. Start a YouTube channel. YouTube offers creators a lot of potential, and many would-be creators and influencers have started their channels on this platform to earn money online. Through YouTube, you can create video content in your chosen niche, ranging from entertainment to education and more. Your YouTube channel can be whatever you like. That makes it a desirable choice for people who want to earn money online. Remember that you won't start earning money on YouTube until you have many views or subscribers. The more views and subscribers you get, the more likely YouTube will place advertisements on your videos. The more ads that play, the more money you'll make from YouTube. You can also join advertising programs as you become more popular and build up a content audience. 7. Become a social media influencer. Have a passion for chatting with people online and sharing the cool things you like. You could work as a social media influencer and make money online in no time. As a social media influencer, you'll post content on platforms like Instagram, Twitch, Facebook, and TikTok. But how exactly do you make money? Once you build up an audience base, you can advertise the products and services of marketing partners, such as brands whose products you already know and believe in. Social media influencers are critical elements of most digital marketing strategies, so there's a lot of opportunity to work in this field. 8. Try online tutoring. What if you like sharing the knowledge you've built up over time? You don't have to become an official teacher. Indeed, you can try online tutoring to make money over the internet instead. As an online tutor, you'll work with parents and their kids to teach them valuable subjects. In particular, English as a second language is a very in-demand online tutoring niche. Many kids from countries where English is not a primary language need to learn it for business or college opportunities. If you have a degree in teaching, you'll find it easier to get clients as an online tutor. Plus, make the maximum amount of money possible. 9. Run a podcast. Podcasting is a popular means to earn money online, particularly for those who already have brands or a lot of followers of their online stores, blogs, or other content. When you run a podcast, you can interview interesting people and talk to your followers about topics you know about. Podcasting is a very open-ended field. In most cases, you'll earn money by hosting your podcast for free but striking up advertising deals with other brands. Then you'll have commercials in the middle of your show, similar to traditional radio shows. 10. Start an online store. You should consider setting up your own e-commerce store to make the big bucks. When you start an online store, you can decide what and who you sell to. Of course, this takes a lot of effort, but it could be an excellent way to achieve your entrepreneurial ambitions in the long term. Running an online store takes startup cash and a website, of course. If you don't have either of those, you'll need to acquire them, along with a business plan, a stellar business idea, and potentially even staff. From there, running an online business is similar to running a retail business in many vital ways. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. Before you go, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.